Hello everyone again, and welcome to another Flutter video tutorial. In this video, as I promised that I would change the icon and app name on iOS port and also show you a package that it will automatically change the icons for us, that we don't need to go change it manually. So first of all, I'm going to close this part because it is the Android part. Last time we did this one. And if you want to go for the iOS separately to change the icon, so you can go inside this iOS folder. As you can see that we have our previous chat app project, so we can change the icon for the iOS from here. And inside this iOS we have a folder, name it runner. Inside the runner we have the assets X and XC assets. Let's go inside what is this and what is inside this icon and this folder. So as you can see, there is app icon. You can visit, you can see them here, and you can change them, and you can bring your own icons here instead of using this in iOS. So how you can do that? Before we As you remember, before I just go to the app generator icon, that it will generate our app icon for the iOS and Android, and also if you want to choose another platform, also it will generate the icon for that. And here you can just drag and drop your icon here and tick mark whatever you want. In the Android part, you can give a file name here. If you don't give, then it will take the IC launcher by default, and you can click this generate icon, generate button, then it will generate the icon for you. After that, you can go and extract this, and then you can see all the icons. So as you can see, it is extracted. Now you can go inside you can see there is the Android folder and the iOS folder for you, and you can see the icon. Also you can see the Play Store and the App Store icon that they are required when we are uploading our app to the Play Store or App Store. That's why it generates for us the 1020 by 1020 icon for us, and also 512 by 512 that it is needed to upload on Play Store. So we don't need the icon for the Android, so we need this iOS. You can see inside we have the icons, all the icons we have, it is generated, and we can just copy this icon, and we can copy that from here and go to inside the Android Studio, and we can paste it inside the folder assets that we have here. You can right click and paste the icon here. So let me right click and paste app icon, which is that name, and we are going to overwrite all of them. So now it is done from here. So another tricks I want to show you that how we can do that automatically. Like we are gonna bring a package that will do all the things for us. So let's go back inside the pubspec.yaml file, and inside this you can bring a package named Flutter launcher icon. Where you can bring it, from where you can bring this icon. Let's go inside the browser, you can search inside the pub.dev. You can write from the search bar this Flutter launcher icons, and it will bring you this icon. As you can see here, you can go inside and you can copy from the installing part. You can copy this and take this one to the pubspec.yaml file. Let's see in here, and after that you should bring this line of code. What it does, it will enable that the image icon will be choose from this path, whatever path we give. For now I just created a folder by the name of assets. As you can see, it is here, and inside this I just created I just created images and put my images inside this folder, and I can give slash images and slash abc or something, the name of the picture. Then you can enable the Android is equal to true, and so after make the Android is equal to true and put the true, make the iOS also is equal to true, and it is all done. What do you have to do at the last? At the end you can go to terminal and write this line of code, which is here: flutter pub run flutter launcher underscore icon colon main. So let's do it. Flutter pub run flutter underscore launcher underscore icons colon main, and it is all done. And let's press enter here. When you run it, you can see it is generated successfully the icons. Then it will be changed on Android also and iOS, as we said here. So guys, thank you for watching till the end of this video, and so if you like the video, you can thumbs up, and see you in the next video.